In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and design your homepage. So first click on Add section. We're going to add the homepage. Here we have two tabs, one for content and the other one is for the styles. For the content we have formatting options. We have 4 formatting options. We're going to keep the first one. We also have an option to have a slider with images or a video running on the background. For this example, we're going to use 2 images. You can also choose the order of the slider, of the images within the slider. And you have the option to use a color filter above or on top of the images. And you can choose the opacity of the images or the transparency. So we're going to leave it like this. We also have the option to hide the search bar and to have a logo on the background. For the home title, you can choose one or you can add a second one, and this will rotate. Below we have the home subtitle, which is this one right here, the smaller one. Then we have the option to choose how many call to action buttons we want to display. In this case we have 2. You can select 3 or 1, or if you don't want any, 0. For this example we're going to use 2, one for buyer and one for seller. We also have the option to edit the text within the button and the link. And we can choose to display a scroll button. We have 3 different options. For this example, we're going to leave this one. Now we can move to the styles. And here we can select the height of the home page and the width. We can also select, choose the title color. And the text, which will be the title below the main title. We can also change the background color of the buttons. The border. And the text color. We can also select the background color, border color, and text color when hovering on the button. So once we choose every single option and you're satisfied, then we're going to save. Once it's saved, we can go back and synchronize our IDX Boost so we can use this page. Now we can go to the navigation website builder, content page. The one that we just did, this is an example page. We're gonna add it to the menu. We're gonna save, and now we're gonna synchronize again. And we're gonna launch our site.